Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Hawaii mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Bank of Hawaii mobile app is designed to give users convenient access to their banking accounts anytime, anywhere. It allows users to check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, deposit checks using mobile deposit, and locate branches or ATMs. The app also supports real-time account alerts, secure login via biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID, and easy management of multiple accounts for both personal and business users. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the clean and intuitive interface, which simplifies everyday banking tasks. Features like mobile check deposit and fast transfers save time, while account alerts help users stay informed of activity. The app is especially valued for its reliability and the ability to manage banking needs without visiting a branch. Still, it's not without downsides. Some users report occasional slow loading or temporary technical glitches. Additionally, certain advanced services available on the Bank of Hawaii website may not be fully accessible through the mobile app. These limitations can impact users who rely heavily on mobile banking for complex transactions. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Bank of Hawaii mobile app may be worth using if you want a secure and convenient way to manage your accounts on the go. It excels in accessibility, essential banking features, and ease of use. However, if you require advanced services or a completely flawless mobile experience, you may encounter minor limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.